Mrs. Stamping Songbird, and today we're going to do an unboxing of an Echo Park Paper Company mystery box. This box was only 50 bucks. So here I'm opening it up for the first time, never saw anything inside, and the first thing that I see is a 4x6 accent card set in a Disney Magic Kingdom theme. It's got 12 different cards. The next thing that is in the box is a set of 2 blank Traveler's Notebook inserts in a Christmas theme. These are really cute. And another set of blank inserts for Traveler's Notebooks in a Disney theme. And yet a third set of Traveler's Notebook blank inserts. And this one is also in a Christmas theme. So that's 6 notebooks in total. Now, this box was only 50 bucks. And we've only looked at 4 different things so far. So that's pretty good, I think, for the price. Here we have a 30-foot washi tape with a bicycle. And then this one is a travel theme, 15 feet long. Here we have a sticker book in a travel theme also. I do have a couple of sets of paper kits with traveling themes, but no stickers. So let's see what this has inside. Oh, great stickers, cars, labels, luggage, sentiments, letters, borders. This is really cute. It's got lots and lots of stickers. That's great. Here we have some puffy stickers that also go with the traveler theme or the travel theme. So that matches. And then we have some enamel dots. I think it goes with that traveler theme, but it may go with the Magic Kingdom as well. Here we have some photo corners in some greens and peach colors. I think it goes with this set, which is a chipboard set. It's really cute. And then this paper pad spring market. I used to have the 12 by 12 set of this one. It's pretty cute. I think it goes with those photo corners as well. Here we have a set of chipboard accents, also in like a travel theme, but more like an outdoorsy theme. That's pretty cute. Another chipboard set, summer theme. That's cute. Oh, a third chipboard set in a travel theme as well. So that's 3 chipboard sets. That's pretty good. Now we have 2 12 by 12 cut-aparts, one in a vintage baseball theme and one in a spring theme. Next, we have a set of Carta Bella paper. And this is a happy birthday set, and it is gold foiled, which is great because I don't have a foiling machine. Next, we have a set of Echo Park paper kit, 12 by 12, Summer Dreams. This is really cute. Comes with a sheet of stickers and 2 sheets of cut-aparts. Oh, yay. I was so happy when I saw this. Alice in Wonderland, Echo Park scrapbooking kit. I love it. I never had gotten this one, and I was really interested in it previously. Next is a set that I haven't seen before, and I think this came out during the pandemic, so this was First Responders. I may be wrong, but it's really cute. It's got firemen, police officers, medical workers, etc. Here's a 12 by 12 paper kit called I Love Christmas. Again, comes with 2 paper cut-aparts and then a sheet of stickers. The stickers are pretty big, really cute. And another set of papers by Echo Park. This is another 12 by 12 set that has 12 sheets, I believe, and the dots are silver foiled. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of 12 by 12 paper. That alone is worth the 50 bucks. Oh, and then, so that's 6 sets. Then we have the 2 sheets of the cut-aparts. So that's 6, 7, 8. Here we have 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 sets of chipboard phrases. And then we have the 6 by 6 paper pad. We have the photo corners. We have the enamel dots. We have the puffy stickers that are so adorable, and the sticker book that matches. So So at last count, I think that's about 15 items. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Looks like 21 different items from this mystery box for just 50 bucks from Echo Park. I think it was definitely worth the money. I think there's much more worth here. If you haven't already, check it out. Echo Park Paper Company is amazing. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.